don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the FIFA Club World Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Dortmund 4. I'm joined by Umfana Semnambiti. It's Asanda.
The one and only.
Asanda.
Grand Steve.
Angimnandi.
Yeah, Angimnandi.
Football analyst.
Aish, fit no.
Best of the best.
Asazi ukuthi singathini fit maku kanje. Aish, oqala Steve ngiqale ngithi condolences to umndeni ka ubaba uPhumlani Msibi. One of the top presenters, football commentators. Mayefika athi dots please. Akayithathi kude akayilandi kude uvela ayibeka athi thank you for your time coach, dots please. So yeah, it's someone who has served the South African football, a presenter for many years. Akaqalanga manje. There was an interview ke ngayibuka nje mabedlala ama interviews akawenza before whereby abeka khuluma nabo Shintsha Khuluva, abantu abadala, yabona abantu abadala, abantu abaqalela lento yebhola lase South Africa yangithola. So Sithibo ngithi nje condolences to umndeni wakhe nabo bonke nje abantu abasondelene naye. Coming to this club with Cup, what a competition. What an interesting competition. Lot of investment enziwe kule club with Cup ekhona namhlanje. You look at some teams akhona lapha. It has given them opportunities to many players outside or around the world. Ufubheka ukuthi Sundowns is the only team with Southern Africa represent Southern Africa kwi club with Cup. You look at some teams njengo Auckland City isuka le phansi Australia kude Australia, but they came here to play ama games because babiziwe. There are a lot of teams akhonile ukuthi abize. Kunama team afana nabo Benfica bakwazi bathole opportunity nabo mabeyibuza ngabona ukuthi bayashuta hayibo, how did we get this call up ukuthi sodlala iFIFA Club World Cup. But it was something that was created, that was planned for many years. Ayiqalanga manje, maybe umuntu ubona isiyadlala manje, but it's something that came plan maybe 5 years back ukuthi namhlanje ibe khona la eUSA. So you look at ama teams, you look at ama players, you look at ama scouts akhona lapha, kunama managers, kunama club management akhona lapha azobheka ama players. Already ama rumors asiyaqala. There's this play uGo Jesus odlalela iBotafogo. Already he's going to Premier League next season. Uyodlalela Nottingham Forest. Just in 2 games he scored against PSG, scored against Sundowns, wakora goal. Then after basebethi cela iNottingham Forest asimcela. So you look at so many players akwazi ukuthi asitshengisa talent, even noma still team yakhe yadliwe, but we check stats okay, when as an individual, what did you do as a defender, as a midfielder, as an attacker? What did you do kuleyo game there? There are a lot of people lapha abazobheka ama talents abazolanda abantu, and it is a great opportunity for ama players ukuthi akwazi ukuexplore ukuthi mina expose ukuthi yabona mina I'm a quality player. Even though ubona ukuthi team ayikho kuleleyo power ukuthi we are here to play, at least when I just show up yourself. But so far I haven't seen Sundowns African teams lawa anama players ukuthi the whole team is off. Kukhona nje that one player very phakame. Look at the game Esperance. Leya game Esperance was just defending, but this guy number 11, he was playing so much lapha elokhe esafarisha for a team efuna goal. Then at least egcineni walithola goal, I think was 75 minutes, and they got him man of the match. Young told even Sundowns Reyners scored a goal, got to offside. He scored another one. The same system, the same assistant niggas will repair, and also he got him man of the match. So you look at so many teams around the world. You look at Brazil iba nama team ay3 lapha, Flamengo, Palmeiras, and also Botafogo. You look at these teams so far, no team is going to lose a game club with 3. They invested so many with ngama European players. If you beg Flamengo, coach Philippe Luis if ngimkhumbula le Atletico Madrid left back. Yena coach lapha kule team. You look at some players our brought in kuma team yakhe abo Alexandro, abo Danilo, abo Varela, khona Varela number 2. There were a lot of players na khona le number 7 and number 11. Those players they played in Europe and they came back kubabizile bonke back to Brazil, look at the game abadlalela against Chelsea. Ngizwe namhlanje for the first time ngizwa ama-fans ase-Europe aphakamisa age kwi-game bekutshela ukuthi they lost because of age. Average age at Chelsea is 24 and average age at Flamengo it's 30. So manje they are now realizing these things, but if Chelsea winile bengekubhekwa lokho. So manje it shows ukuthi they were playing with big brothers. If ubheka kahle kahle it's like under 17 is playing under 21, obviously expect abantu vele abadlale kulama team abadlala kona yangithola experience. So lose 3-1 against the Flamengo, it was not something abantu bebe expectile ukuthi Chelsea might lose that game, but after that one goal babuyile bathi European football is the best, but after babatshengisa ukuthi football is about to fight, it's about to team sihlale sonke, the experience iyasebenza and experience yangithola. So badliwa ke kanjalo with the Chelsea, but coming to this game no Sithibo, asiqale nje siyivule nge-opening game ye-Sundowns. Sundowns played very well against those Ulsan players, Chinese, Japanese. I think they didn't invest a lot coming to this Club World Cup. I think they're here to honor my fixtures. If you so far there's no team coming that side. Esige shine as Kombisi Uti. I'm here to play. If you call just lose against Juventus, Malayo Rahim, they lost by 5 goals. But sharing of 4 in the first half. So it shows Uti they didn't do so much coming to this Club World Cup. But Sundowns dominated the game. Everything was very clean. Even Renas Jobangshili told him man of the match. Ribeiro, Mukwena, he made more passes in that game. He's in the top 5 players with Club World Cup so far who made more passes in the whole 32 teams. So it's something fantastic for South African football and South African players and those abakhona la eMzansi ukuthi babone ukuthi it's possible. You look at uThembinkosi Lorch. If there's a question I was asking myself, if Lorch was develop a so good talent, then what are we failing ukuthi sikwazi ukudevelop such talents in South Africa azokwazi ukuthi ayo compete in the biggest stage. So kunama players la eMzansi owabonayo ukuthi they have potential, but you don't understand ukuthi gcina kuphelile gcina kwenzakalani. Look at age kaLorch kudala asambona ukuthi quality efika kwiPirates, even before waze kwiPirates besibona nje liplay leni yadlala, but manje even still usabambile leyo quality le. So this is something ngisibuza yona ukuthi we have umshishi, I think manje it's Thembinkosi Lorch, but others if bheki era yabo anginayisho ukuthi I don't see them abaningi ukuthi kwagcina kwenzakaleni sasini quality ubani, but manje ayisekho. If ubheki age yakhe thola usasena 34 umuntu how already lo muntu leseyeke ibhola yabo, it's most of the time kwenzeka lezo zinto. So my question is angazi ukuthi siyilahla phela eSouth Africa with our talents, but if ubheka ukuthi Lorch mayekwazi ukuperforma kanje, that means there are a lot of intwana lapha emele siyolanda izikwazi ukuthi si represent iSouth Africa, and nanokuthi national team iyephezulu ngoba ibafana ngoba ukuphakama kwama players eMzansi. If iOrlando Pirates dominate, if iSundowns dominate, if iKaizer Chiefs dominate, sengikhuluma ama Africa kumabedlala eAfrica. If these teams are dominating, that means it's a good thing for African football. If ama players lawa esiwakhiphayo eEurope, if they are performing that side, it's a good thing for ibafana bafana. So everything siyazi ukuthi for national team we are satisfied. So Sithibo angibuye kule game lena
well said.
Angiqale ngiyibeke kanje Sithibo no ngibuke bengikhuluma noCox la sikhuluma ngeBorussia Dortmund. Ngibuka their games abawadlalile, the last 6 games abawewinile, bawinning ama straight wins in their last 6 games. Mawukhipha le game eFluminense. Okay. If ubheka le game eFluminense, okay. If ubheka le game eFluminense, okay, ngizoyikhatha nje mhlawumbe 1 minute, okay. Borussia Dortmund, they've been conceding goals in the second half. I think into enginoticile ukuthi this coach othi mengakushaya first half, then when he shy in the second half, most of our teams they scored so many goals and they conceded a lot of shots on target. Just the goalkeeper is a very good goalkeeper. I like him, one of the best goalkeepers in Europe. But if you beg ukuthi ama goals about conceded against abo Bayer Leverkusen, against abo Barcelona, all these teams, they considered after half-time. Even if Bheke Sundowns coming to this game, you look at the first half yabo, it started slow, Borussia Dortmund. You might say ukuthi indlela abaqale ngayo this game, I understand how ukuthi bayazi badlala South African team. It's like you couldn't tell ukuthi this team is from South Africa. The way Sundowns are circulating akona ibhola, you look at the Tertius Matthews, those chances. Yabona ke na I think imela fundu ukuthi these chances, these are not chances to miss when you are playing in this bigger stage. Even if a goalkeeper made some saves, kunama shots owashaya umele wabheka ukuthi abona la it's technique ekumele ngiyisebenzise. Sometimes Steve uyazokwazi nokucreate penalty ungaboni. Unokuthatha iplayer uthatha ibhola ulibeke lapha ifika iplay ishaye wena it's a penalty yabo. So if ubona ukuthi something is not working, just create something yabo, anything, just make it foul yabo. So those things are just little details wabhekayo ukuthi even against Sundowns after they scored the first goal, how do you manage the game ukuthi manje okay guys, we are leading, how do we do these things ukuthi okay nje manje these players are top players, khona bo Gurasi la bakora njalo, khona bo Julian Brett, khona bo the sign play young player of the season kwi championship, in the championship uJob Bellingham ngathi abantu abazi. Then you look at Mnature developed by Manchester City. So these are star players, these are top players who can score goals at any time. So into ebashayile kakhulu mina, it's this thing of game management. Angifuni uqamba manga Steve, but if they manage the game ngabe bakude. Kodwa ke Job Bellingham man of the match.
Dango! Ay, izinja bafethu. Ay. Abantwana bomnati.